How to restrict who can assign you nicknames on Instagram DMs. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restrict who can assign you nicknames on Instagram DMs. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure that the app is updated. Now tap here at the messages icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the Messenger app, you can open any chat. Once the chat is opened, tap here on the name of account. Here you will see many options. The nicknames will be one of them. Tap on Nicknames. Go for Change who can edit your nickname. The menu will appear on the screen. This is the menu from where you can control who can edit your nickname on Instagram app. If you want to restrict the nickname for yourself, then tap on Only You. By tapping on Only You, the nickname of yours is in your authority, or you can select from others' options as well. That's all for the video. I hope this helps you customize your Instagram DMs to your liking. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.